Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing? Nice. All right. Reposition my mic. All right, we need to do rooms, I think. Are we still using this batch? No. Yeah, we can get rid of that batch. So rendering order. Let's open the entity. All right, we want that. Is that what we're using? Oh. Yeah. All right. Why is my phone blowing up? All right. Let's see. It's gonna be draw. Kind of need to composite the whole map together, but we'll do that after. I mean, I guess we want rooms. Let's just do one for now. Oh. Hmm. We'll do this radio station. Alright, so sup, Allie? How you doing, girl? I made the colors all synth wavy. I also switched to using Vim full time because I hate Visual Studio Code. But hey, how you doing? Just gave the dog a bath? Do you mean Joy gave you a bath? So much water. Yeah, that's what I figured. Let's render. What's up? Errors. Sprite batch. Is it here? No. Oh, there we go. So how was your second bath? Game time cannot be found using directive, blah, blah. Wait, didn't I just fix that? Oh, no, I'm in this. Amazing, not. Ooh, whatever, so many. And blah, to make her over, blah, to override keyboard. Gotcha. Alright, so it still runs. It's good. We didn't want this to be virtual, we wanted it to be this. Let's see, what other errors do we have? Star gifts fat. I know, I loves it. I loves it. Any update? Oh, okay. Yes. I want to add so many more gifts. It's going to be like GeoCities circa 1999. Up in here. Up in this bitch. Alright, that should fix that. What else we got? Yes! 10 out of 10. So, map and player. Alright. We have too many things open. All right. Virtual. Whoops. All right. Now all those warnings should be gone, except for the assembly info one. Yep. You're a damn code wizard. That's how I roll, I guess. All right. I mean, can do that. Get rid of all the open stuff. All right. So we kind of need a rectangle for this. All right. Yeah. Yeah, so that'll work. And then we also need a position. I don't know what I said. I don't remember. Vector 69. No, vector 2. What? This isn't AOL. Let's do width, height, vector to position. What's your vector, Victor? If you get that reference. And then size. I mean, I guess we don't need the position because we could do it with the rectangle. Oop. We're gonna need font here because you get 8 more. Haha. Nice, nice. I get it. Lulz. Walls. What are you up to today, Allie? All right, so the batch there. I also need the sprite font. Get font. Weird. But yes, I do get it. I gets it. That's filthy. Should the size be should the size be in tile space or screen space? I'm gonna guess it should be in tile space. So sprite font, text, position, color. All right. This should be fun. So here's what we need. What's the width? We're gonna build basically a string representation of this, so then we can just render it just like we render the net at the beginning. So we need height. I don't know why people say height. So for every line high it is, we need a new line. So we'll just do this for now. Oh yeah, thank you for the host. Oh shit. Now you get to hear this, by the way, because this is my sub sound. You have to deal with it. It's a duck. Thank you very much for the sub, Ally Mac. You so nice. Do. DuckTales. Woo. Watch behind you. Woo. It is. Have you ever seen there's a fucking DuckTales live action where they did the entire trailer. But it was with real ducks. It's fucking amazing. Here. I'm gonna do this for you. Here in Duckburg. Yes, it's the entire DuckTales intro. I think there's even like a scene for scene one where like they overlay the original over here, but it's awesome. Bam. It's the Mummy. Oh my god. DuckTales. Woo. So amazing. Perfect, really. All right, back to regular music, I think. Oh, we could do synthwave, I guess. That's a thing, yeah. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Size that with. You're a better person for knowing that now. Just as a note. All right, so right now we'll just do them all as underscores. Actually, we'll do periods. And then title scene. We do something very similar to this. Yeah, here we go. Let's just reuse this. Can my hero have a tomahawk? Sure. There you go. Set in stone now. I'm gonna break this down because this is a little hard to read. I guess I don't need that anymore. Right, so it's gonna do that. We're good. I times title with title. Oh, so this is going to be size width. Okay. The fuck is it playing now? Oh snap! I do like butts. It's gonna show it again at some point, whenever the fuck it decides to. Or maybe they have skipped that on Streamlabs now. But I do like butts. You also like butts. I know this about you. This is the position. Oh, it's gonna be 0? That's weird. Title text dot length divided by 7. What? I don't think you're right. I don't even think that's gonna work, but let's try it. So, new room is created, draw, update, cool. Let's see how badly this works. I think it's gonna go up to the top left. String, where's that? Okay. Oh, in room. Just needed using. Now everything's broken. 17. Oh. Uh-oh. It's alright. You got this. This is me at my second rodeo. Although 2 rodeos is not enough. No argument has a width. There's no, oh, right. Bash does not exist in the current context because it's that. So let's see, position's gonna be 10, 10, and we'll do like, let's just make a square room. Oh. Cool as these. Yeah, 2 rodeos is not enough rodeos to know everything. So that should be good. This we want to be size.x and then size.y plus. Cool. No, it does not exist there. Where is it? Oh, there it is. That should run. Totally did not order Jimmy John's again. Wham. Ah, there we go. We broke something. Line 42. Because this doesn't exist because we're not initializing? Yeah, we're not initializing. That was a typo. What'd you get from Jimmy John's? Hey, it drew it. Right here. Oh, my mouse is invisible. But you saw it. Although really I want it to be... I want it to be in the center. No, columns, rows. Alright, this synthwave's a little ridiculous. Let's go to... We'll go to Electro Swing. Math floor and calls ambiguous. Gotcha. So what'd you order? What'd you get from the Johns of Jimmy's? Can I convert double to int? Just a turkey sandwich, no mayo. Interesting that made it bigger. And a big old pickle, baby. This seems slightly off, yeah. Okay. So I times character size, that makes sense. That's the position. Oh, right. I gotcha. Because position X and Y are actually tiles. So I need tile to screen position. Although that's gonna be a little weird, so So we want size.x, size.y, plus I. We don't want to multiply it. Let's see if this works. Rogan, tile utilities out. Have to include the using. Oh, that's better. And now they line up. Nice. All right. So this is the X position and the Y position. Looks like my foot long is here. I got foot long for you. That is freaky fast though. With all right, so let's do this. So the first row will always be underscores. And the last row will always be underscores. Cool. And then also same guy from yesterday. They say, oh, hey, you again. Because that's totally kind of embarrassing. Which work. Hey. It's not bad. Now I need to center that. Why isn't this centered? So position X and position Y. Width and height. Oh, because we're making... Gotcha. At least he knows I'm not single now. Oh, did you get something for Abby too? That looks so ugly. Bring me a champion. Rend the flesh of my foes, a mortal champion to wade through the entrails of my enemies. Nice, dude. Nice. Hi, Danish. How are you? 2 sandwiches and 2 extra big pickles. Did he make an innuendo when he dropped off 2 extra big pickles for 2 women's? I feel like he should have. I mean, if not, more power to him, because it's a hard one to just sidestep. Oh, nice. All right, so now we just have to... I'm wading through the entrails of my enemies tonight. Oh. Oh. Is that like an all-night activity, or do you still have time for sleep after that? Since I'm doing that... Nice. It's not exactly... are we still doing... Let's see. So X and Y... gotcha. So... You're here close to on time. How's it going, PB? How you doing, buddy? It is. It's a real-time live silhouette of me programming in the corner. It's just... It's all... Whoops. Now I broke everything by slamming my keyboard. Thanks! Playing Apex grinding kills. Nice, dude. You still Pathfinder maining? Alright. 129 kills on Lifeline. Nice, dude. So it feels like this is slightly off grid-wise. Let's see. Oh, you tried Apex today? What'd you think, Danish? I know Skylar was playing it. So I had 6 wins today. Nice, dude. That is nice. It's a noise, but I don't have sound effects. Alright, so we have the first room. I was looking at... One of them was while being AFK. Wow, you're getting hard carried, dude. Who are you, ninja? I like the gunplay a lot, but I'm not sure I want to get hooked. Fair enough. So I was looking at this, which is Rogue Basin, who does the 7-day roguelike challenge. They basically have an algorithm for this, which is kind of cool. They also have a C# example. I'm not sure I want to use that though. Type in while playing, dude. Go play. Do your thing. Once you play one, you're never done. What is this, Pringles? Once you pop, you just can't stop. These are interesting. Ah, it's me. What's up, Calyx? How you doing? We are not playing video games, unfortunately. Just a note. Floor. Stone wall. I didn't know you streamed. I do, occasionally. But I don't play games. I'm a programmer. Now you do. Welcome, welcome. All because Ally Mac. Oh, she did? Look at her. Bringing in the views. How are you doing today? It is hot in here. I need to do a thing. Oh. Always gotta support my boo. I appreciate it, girl. Alright. Hey, thank you for the 5 biddies, Calyx. All the biddies. And thank you for the follow as well. You cheered biddies before following. Look at you. You're a champ. Yep, making a game. A little roguelike. Hey, thanks for the 10 biddies, PB. Game's done. Yep, nope, totally done. It's pretty cool. Yeah? Yeah, it's for funs. Alright. We need to do like dungeon generation too, though, here. Probably... Nah, we'll be alright with that. And we'll have to do like compositing in the map at some point. I tried to learn how to code. I gave up quickly. Dad, I'm dirty. Why are you dirty? Picked up the Mozambique. Yep. Worst gun in the game. And I'm decent with it? That's... I call malarkey on that. That's bullshit. What did you try to learn, Calyx? You PB, no. You gotta... What is it? There you go. Allium no in the chats. Python and C++. Those are very different things. C++ definitely going to be really difficult to learn. Python not so much. And my chicken. You have a chicken? What are you talking about? I don't even know what you're talking about now. Now your chicken is still cool. All right. Wasn't patient enough? Just decided to nah. Fair enough. It's not for everybody. You have a question. You can ask your question. All right. So we have the start scene. Graphic design and editing is more me. Makes sense. How hard do you have to slap a chicken to cook it? And at what force does the thermal energy cook it? Oh, I mean, I think you have to do like a Hadouken to cook it, really. There's a Reddit thread for it. Of course there's a Reddit thread for it. It's a Reddit thread for everything. Why don't you go to that Reddit thread, find the answer, and then tell us? It is like Rule 34. If it exists, there's a thing for it. It's true. I'm not reading that right now, but you could tell me how hard you have to slap a chicken. All right, so we have the map. So I want to make like a compositing renderer so everything's like in line. No, I know. I was just sharing. Oh, yes. No. Feel free to share with the class. There's no Reddit thread for me. Do I not exist? Be glad. The fuck is this? Sup, gamer? Everyone's goddamn here. How y'all doing? Here, let's just do this. Hacking your bank account. When you gonna carry me in Apex? Jokes on him, I don't have money. It's true. We need money to carry you in Apex. I was just gonna say I don't see Danish and then Danish appears. Danish is everywhere, man. That's what he does. Being everywhere is the Danish thing. Muting me now. Alright. See you later, gamer. We don't have Maverick though. He stops by every once in a while. You're too noisy for me to play 7 Days to Die. Fair enough, dude. Yeah, Maverick pops in every once in a while. He's one of my followers. Lol. Do you want to make motor boxes? No. Menu system for selecting character class. Not yet. Can make floors, I guess. Or we can make, I mean, if we do a compositing renderer, then we can do collisions so that we can't just walk outside the bounds. I guess that's what we're going to do, but I have no clue what to do about that. Hey, look at you. You got that little sword thing. Throwing hundreds. What? Allie got her sword. She's ready for adventure. Alright. Yeah, fuck it. So we need tiles. The room's gonna be made up of tiles, blah blah blah. So when is this AAA game coming to Steam? I can put it on Steam later if you want, when it's done. Although I do have an experimental web renderer for this framework that I might try. It's super alpha, so I'll probably have to like fix some bugs in it, but we'll see. But it compiles the whole thing down to JavaScript. This is buy. So lulz. $60. Now we're just gonna nickel and dime you. We're gonna do it for free, and then like every character is actually going to be a microtransaction. You know what we could do? I do want to like. Damn, typical AAA. You said AAA games. You shouldn't have said AAA games. Work for EA. You know it. You know it. BBB game then. Is it? Is it them? So I do want to integrate emojis in it because I think it would be cool, like a cool progression of ASCII games since emojis are now. Yeah. So this would be pay to win. Yep. Hold on. Let me. Where's my thing? Oh. Hey, thank you for the 6 biddies, Calyx. I do not want to be second. All right, then. Slide zap, $50. Nice. You're always number one in my butt. Wow. Wowzers. Can I get a yikes? So this is free and open source emojis. Too bad. Thank you for the 2 bits, PB. So free and open source. Let's see what they're actually. 16 by 16 seems okay. Oh, sweet. They're character codes. Get wrecked, says Calyx with the 2 biddies. Thank you. Pick the eyes one. Yeah, so they're the actual character codes for them, which is less than ideal. No use, says PB coming back. Y'all ridiculous. There actually is a sound effect to that too. I'll pause the music. See, little sound effect there. But thank you for the 2 biddies. Y'all warring it out. So let's do this. PB with the 2 biddies with the kappa. So we'll do this. Still downloading. Hey, no, remove pay to win idea. Lols. How much you gonna pay me to remove it? Nah, I'm just kidding. Hey, PP with the 1 bit. Y'all ridiculous, but thank you. Thank y'all. Look, direct quote. Direct quote. Thank you for the 3 bits, Calyx. There you go. See? Danish said, I really want to throw money at you so I can win this game. Also, I'm Danish, so there. There you go. There you go. That's you. Thank you for the 10 biddies, BB. And thank you for the follow. MonoGame? I'm going with that. We're rolling with that. But thank you. Happy to have you here. Come hang out. PB's grabbing his credit card. Don't be grabbing your credit card. Don't be doing that. What does being Danish have to do with wanting to give money? Nothing. It's just, it proves that it was really you that said it because you said, also, I'm Danish, so there. So, I mean, it makes sense. It's clearly a quote from you. Thank you for the 11 biddies, Calyx. All right, so we have that downloaded. Now we can see them all. Oh god, they're so fucking blurry because they're 16 by 16. Let's do one of the higher res ones. Jesus, that's a lot of icons. A lot of emojis right there. Oh, look, there's a surf. There's a snowboarding guy. Hope you like dad jokes because you're in for a lot of them. It's true. So blurry it is. I should probably be productive with life and like make dinner. You should. You should. In fact, I have a pork roast in the crock pot right now. Hey, what's the plan with all this? Thank you for the 10 bits, PB. Oh, yeah, I don't have a Discord command. You can do here. You can spam that whenever you want. I don't care. I can add a command later. Anyways, hey, thanks for joining, Calyx. What are you doing? No heal. No heal. So the actual objective here, and let me do this. I can kind of explain it better once it's running. So this is going to be, thank you for the 9 bits, Calyx. This is going to be a text-based role-playing game, much like the original Rogue. My thought process here is basing it kind of futuristic instead of the old D&D style realm, but with all those elements of classes and experience and etc. So you'll start in a room. We'll build the dungeon generator with paths, just like the original Rogue. But enemies, instead of being just characters, are going to be emojis. So there's like the ghost emoji, and those will be ghosts, and you have to attack them, and then they'll be. But the end goal is to get a specific item from the bottom floor and bring it all the way back up in as little turns as possible. I guess first version will probably just be like 1 or 2 floors, and then we'll just expand as we add to it. And it'll be web-based, and it'll be up on itch.io or itch.io, whatever you want to say there. That'll just be a fun, free game. Jesus, PV, do not be doing that. You do not need to do that. Anyways, so now that the bidding war is kind of over right now, thank you, PB, for 37 bits, and thank you, Calyx, for 38 bits. I appreciate y'all. And the 2 extra bits. Thank you. Yeah. Blanket thanks in the chat. There you go. Could be Tim here. So yeah, so that's the goal here. It's just a fun little thing to do. Y'all crazy though. Y'all crazy. All right. So we're good here. Close that. We'll have to do attribution at some point. In fact, let's add that to the notes. What's it called? Twimoji? I have actual lifetime emotes. Me too, brother. Me too. Oh, those are the Overwatch League ones. I gotcha. I gotcha. There you go. It's in there. What's in there? I feel like that should be Mav. Whoops. I didn't want to open Krita. But that should probably be Mav right there. Look at him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. In your face. We'll see. We'll see. Look at the little moon. He's so happy. Oh my god, yes. Little ghost guy. Demon. Ooh, the alien. That could be an alien. Back to Sweaty Apex BRB. No problem, dude. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, yes. Santa. Could have a snake. Is that a dragon? I'm guessing that's a dragon. Is there a snake? Oh, look. Just his face. He's angry. Yeah, we could do a lot with this. That guy. Let's do like a test render of one of these. I want the 16 by 16 one. What's 1 and 2? The hell are these? Hey, thanks for the 2 bits, Calyx. Oh, I need music again. We could do video game music actually. There we go. Video game music. Thank you for the 1-bit PB, even in the middle of your thing. Oh, these are the actual Illustrator files for him. Cool. So we're gonna use the 16 by 16. Let's do. They have solo now? Do they? Oh, I think he's just going solo. I don't think they have solo yet. Oh, teammates left. There you go. Yeah. Although I did hear that they had. Let's do this. Or B. Because everyone. Ooh, Snake. Snake's doing it. Alright, we're good there. Skylord told me Solo and Doer were leaked data mine. Yeah, that's what I heard too. So we'll see if it actually happens. But new folder. Alright, so build that. Works. Yeah, I will be super excited if that happens. Especially duos. I don't care about the solo queue. I feel like solo is kind of weird because of all the shit they have for like pinging and stuff. But duos will be nice because I feel like I always get third part. Like the last guy always gets me. I can get 2 people down pretty easily, but the last guy always ends up getting me from somewhere weird. I just need BR mode and Mordau now. It's true. When is that coming? I've heard you talk about that forever. PB lost. That's what I'm guessing. Died due to reload. Rip. Can we get a rip in the chat for that? So I have an alarm that's gonna go off in a sec because my thing needs to be taken out of the crock pot and let sit for a little while. April, according to one of the devs on Discord, provided everything goes smoothly. Nice. How long has it been in development? 4 years, I think. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. Well, I will definitely give it a try when it comes out. I mean, I respect that grind. Whoops. And they've been quiet for that long? Holy shit, I don't think they've been that quiet. I've heard about it. I mean, granted, I've only really... They also don't have an office. They all work from home across different countries. Taking care of so much laundry is the worst, dude. Worst shit ever. They haven't been quiet. They push out a lot of updates for years now. Yeah, I saw. I think it was Shroud or one of the big streamers was saw a clip of them playing it because something funny happened or some shit. Alright. So now we have that. Stop changing clothes every 10th minute, Allie. It's true. It's true. Listen, self-driving cars, cool. But can I get some like self-folding laundry? Because that's what I really want. I'm fine with driving, just don't want to fold laundry. So are you making a game? Yes, I'm making a game, gamer. I'm not making a gamer though. Or playing a game about programming. No, I'm making it. I'm making it, son. Alright, so now we can add images. Okay, we're gonna need blackjacks and hookers. In fact, forget the hookers. Just blackjack? Screw the whole damn thing. I do love Bender. Just saying. So I played The Sims last night, and 10 minutes in I got up playing on the PC to go make grilled cheese, and then I caught on fire and died. So, in real life Sims, am I right? Because I'm 20% zinc. Kiss my shiny metal ass. Can we just have Minesweeper 2? What's in Minesweeper 2? Is it Minesweeper Battle Royale? Because I mean, it seems like it should. I don't know if it's 20% copper or zinc, but probably copper. That would make sense to me. I'm just a mindless consumer. Can't be a BR. Tetris will sue, Kappa. I don't know, you're the dev. I'm just a mindless consumer. Don't ask me. So I lucked out. Trader guy had a forge. Oh, you're playing 7 days, right? Oh, there we go. So I made grill and pot. These randos are starting to piss me off. I am not playing Apex right now, but maybe someone else would like to. What about you, gamer? Alright, so in the rooms... Nope, he's playing 7 days. Sorry, PB. I tried for you. Not good at BR. Didn't you guys play the other day? Drowns at laundry. Every time I play, I feel like I don't get better. I just suck. Fair enough. So how are we going to do this? We kind of need tiles. Hey, Orkin114, thank you for the follow, my dude. How are you? Found me. You found me. I was trying to hide. But you did. But hey, Orkin, how you doing, brother? How's everything going? Did you end up closing on your house? There's a lot of you bastards in here today. Just saying. You're good? It's good to hear, brother. Code streams make me want to go to my JavaScript source, but I'm so M. Is that like Mozambique? So much boring stuff first. Right. Alright, let's just render this texture and see if it works. Could do it right here. So much boring stuff. This coding makes my eyes cross. Could never be a code monkey, man. Good on ya. It's what I was born to be, man. Alright. I'm gonna do snack. Yeah, no, it's a weird thing. You get used to it after a while. Wait a sec, what editor are you in? This looks familiar. It's Vim. VI? BI. Just do it here. Really just want to draw it. I probably just use a similar Skinner theme in brackets. Oh, brackets. The Adobe editor. I just swapped from Sublime to Visual Studio Code. Yeah, Sublime hasn't been updated in quite a while. It's great, it's just starting to show its age. Just render to the top left. Let's run that. Any errors? Nope. Hey, there he is, little sneaky guy. In the top left there. All right, cool. My JS course told me to, so I was like, aight, dog. Yeah, Visual Studio Code it's actually pretty good. I was using that last stream, actually. Sublime is old. Like, I remember Sublime 3 came out for like beta, and I can't even remember when that was. It was years ago. And then like, I think they just finally released it. But all right, guys, I need to go take that thing out of the crock pot. So I will be back in a few minutes. Thanks everybody for hanging out. BRB. Get ready for more GIFs. The mic is not for deafening people. Nightmare Fuckers are in the game. Screeching Ninja or Autism or whatever. Wow. What about your ears? Alright. So we got the snakes. We need to make a better render for this. No net. What? Yeah. And shooter games rely on the in-game audio. I don't need 12-year-olds screaming. Yeah, it's true. You can just turn on VoIP, dude. Yeah, nobody needs that. Oh, dog. 2 more nights until Horde Night. I am not ready. What game stage are you at, gamer? So this is gonna be in reverse. Bork. What? Oh, so if you press I next to your character, there should be a game stage and it's a number, and that determines how hard the game is at the current level. It's a mixture of like how many days you've stayed alive. 33. Oh, 33 is going to be easy peasy, brother. Unless 33 is your level. So for the renderer, we want to take every tile that's displayed, which is like a 16 by 16 pixel thing. Block, square, rectangle, whatever. Render. 14 is my level. Oh, all right. Have you tried getting good? Just curious. So effectively, we're gonna read through and composite them all together. Modals being on the top layer, then the HUD, and the player, enemies, items, and map. Lights up, can't stay. I'm gonna go continue my quest to destroy my lungs. Jesus, brother. That's rough. But hey, freedom isn't free. So yeah, so if we had, let's assume, I love this song by the way. Fuck you, Markdown. No. Alright, so we'll just set this to text so that it won't do all that stupid shit. So let's assume if our room looks like this, and we're here, and there's a snake there, maybe there's a chest there, whatever, and a door there. So these tiles are all the map, the dots. Left lurker page open. Thanks, dude. I don't know how you keep all of this organized. Which part? So effectively, we'll call into the modal, see if it has anything. So say this is 0, 0, or this is 1, 1, right? So if the modal doesn't have anything in 1, 1, we'll call into the HUD, and then we'll call into the player, and we'll composite it all together, and there'll be like an overall renderer that holds all of this information. I wonder how slow that would be. All of it. Years of practice or something? Something like that. All right. It's not that hard. So really we need to go to play scene. Jeez. A little retro gaming music now. This is all C#, yep. Except for the docs, which are just markdown. Alright, so Word. Accidentally uses 300% CPU on Mac. Feels bad, man. It does. I don't even think, like, I have all this shit running. Yeah, I'm not using very much CPU. Including encoding the stream because I'm not using two computers right now. This is all running on this computer. Hey, Juice, what's up, dude? Pepe hands. After Effects, of course. Any Adobe product. Hello. And Sony Vegas. Yeah, any sort of video compositor. Whoops, I spelled that wrong, right? Hey guys, the future sucks because it means bedtime. It's ridiculous to run. Fair enough. Thanks for hanging out, Danish. Enjoy your bedtime, brother. Will this sort them, though? It probably will not sort them. So I probably don't want to use this. I could use an array list. Then I can't call it by name. Now let's try it. Oops. Anyways, Juice, how you doing, dude? I saw you were streaming. How did your stream go? Alright, so now we need... Wait, where am I? Oh. Render layer. What were you playing? Couldn't find a good server. Playing role-playing mod called, oh, 5M. Yeah, I think Mav was playing that way back in the day. I remember that. That's fine for now. Yeah, I think the problem with that was that, like, good servers are really hard to get on, and, like, it takes forever, and even when you do get on them, like, it's pretty boring, I guess. I don't know. That's just what I heard. It was a really good one at one point. They shut down. RIP. Alright, so... Couldn't find a replacement. That sucks, dude. Alright. Yeah, I remember there was supposedly a whole bunch of them, but you're twerking to the overworld theme from Legend of Zelda? Good luck to you. Damn it, damn. You threw your back out? Nice. Alright, so Ally Mac, I am kind of scared now. She threw her back out from twerking. She likes to think she's old, Orkin. She doesn't know what old means. Ooh, this is old school Zelda. One of my OG favorites. So really we need... basically need to just fill all these with spaces. So we'll go through each column and row and just fill it with spaces. Old. I wish I was as old as she is. True. Sure, me too. You're what, like 30? Lols. I mean, I'm guessing Orkin's the oldest person in this room, if I had to guess. I wish I was 30 again. 20. There's a whole bunch of them that I wish I was again. Whoops. No. What are you doing? Alright. That's all I really wanted to do. 30 plus a baker's dozen. There you go. Alright. So then... oh, I need the font here. Mm, 30 plus a baker's dozen. I am only 33. Oh, and then we're going to use that thing that we had before, title scene. iMac is what? 25? Wow. Wow. I don't know if you did that to troll her on purpose, but lulz. You were close. It's been 84 years. I have to change this a little later. All right, so this isn't going to change, so bars.columns. Whoa. No, I want columns, not rows. But yeah, you were close, sir. So I time, oh. So then it's going to be 0. So this is the string, this is the position of it. So it's always going to be 0. No. Yes, 0, of course. Pretends to know what's going on. It's true. So basically what I'm trying to do is basically like a typewriter, because not 0 is bad. Gotcha. It's basically like a typewriter. So I'm starting in the top left, drawing every character on the screen all the way till I hit the right edge, then moving it down a row and doing it again. So I'm basically the same way a terminal works. So what this actually does is we're looping through the length of this string. Well, so first we build the string, and we basically place one space for every X, which is the columns, and every Y, which is the rows. So it's kind of like calculating the area of a square. But so basically for every column and every row, we're creating a space, and then here we want to draw that. So then later, what we could do is we could say, all right, for, grid position, if you assume that the entire screen is a grid of 16 by 16 squares, we could say for grid position 2, 4, or, row 2, column 4, what's there? And it could be the player, it could be and then we render it so that everything's lined up to the grid properly, and so that we're not rendering two things in the same place. So that's what we're trying to do here. So this composite renderer will take all of our information that we have, right? Where the enemies are, where the items, the walls, and all that stuff, and make it into one giant ASCII string that then we render onto the screen so that we don't ever have two things in the same position. But it also allows us to know when the player's touching an enemy, for example, or the player's standing on top of a chest or what have you. So we're basically compositing all that information into one screen that then we render. If this was like actual graphics, we would just draw everything on top of each other, but since we're using like transparent and we're just using text, it won't look good that way. You won't see the @ symbol, you'll see like the @ symbol plus the period behind it plus, and that won't look good. So anyway, so we're drawing the string, we're taking the substring, which is basically the portion of the string and the number of columns. So we're taking, say 26 characters wide or whatever it is, I think it's 50. And then we want that piece, and then I will increment. So then we'll take the next 50 characters and the next 50 characters and draw them all in sequence. It's kind of like it's our own blit. New vector 2, so that should be fine. This is going to be so the X will, oh, all right. No, so that works. That should work. So that's going to work. Let's see. Oh, we need play scene. You don't want this at all right now. It should just be a black screen if this is working right. All right, so render, do we need So need to call, should be at the bottom, render update game time, then so that should render it. Let's see if this breaks. Composite renderer cannot be found. Columns does not exist in the current context in the composite renderer. Oh. Gotta go shred some pork soon. Alright, so everything's blank. We're good. It also means that if we wanted to later on, we can make like this graphical version of this. Because we just switch out the composite renderer. Alright, player. Can I do multiple inheritance? Let's see if that breaks everything. Probably will. Namespace layer. Player cannot have multiple base classes, right? So basically we need to merge strings. Can I do multiple inheritance? I could do an interface. All right, let's make layer an interface then. Flaya. Okay. I haven't done a C# interface in a while. What's the syntax? No, we're good. How do we want to do this? So that should work. It's going to tell me I didn't implement the interface, but it shouldn't error on the multiple types. Player does not implement. Yeah, get ASCII. Cool. I want composite renderer. I basically want that base ASCII so I don't have to update everything. Let's see. Maybe that should be in a utilities function. Let's take the composite renderer. It's basically this thing. Columns. All right. No, we don't need that. Where's my tomahawk? Fish is coming. So now we just need to replace the one character in this string. Hey, thanks for the follow on Twitter, Calyx and Orkin. It's 6:30 and Abby is asleep on the couch. Interesting. So position is going to be an integer. We're going to take tile position. She's an old bitch. Wow, you are so nice. Let's see, so the X position, let's take the Y. So Y times she's sleepy. She's sleepy. It's okay. So tile position Y is going to be how many rows down it is. We need to add the number of rows. Basically, I want to figure out where the position in the string it needs to be. So we're going to want floor. So position Y times the number of columns. Is she just sleepy? Who doesn't love naps? Plus tile position X. Can I replace that, or do I have to do a substring thing? Let's see. So we replace. No. Oh, insert. So I can insert something here. Nice. To string, to upper. Index of blah, blah, blah. Remove. Is there remove at an index? Yeah, there is. Oh. Alright. So river glyph. And then we'll remove the last one off the string, I guess. I just want to pop it really. But yes, I love naps. What do you love? The Windows 98 Maze screensaver. That's a good one. I have something similar to that I wrote a while ago. I don't even know if I have it downloaded actually. Right, so we shouldn't need that. Inconsistent accessibility. Layer is less accessible. Oh. ASCII does not exist in the current context. Double the int. 60. Let me see if I actually have that. Whoops. So really, that works. Let's see. I do not. Why are you in SpaghettiOs? What'd you do? What did you do, Ellie? Yep, I do still have it. Oh, I did not break something. No, I was making sure it wasn't gonna vomit basically, and it did for a second, but I fixed it. I mean, that's what I call it. Open folder. So yeah, I have to go start shredding Park in a minute. So here, I will show you this because you will love it. So this is Wolfenstein 3D, I guess you would call it. Ready? Ready. Ooh. Turn off textures. Fisheye lens. Whoa. It's the Windows 95 screensaver. It is very much like that. What's up, Slater USA? How you doing, buddy? My body is here for this. Yeah, I could potentially render the game that I'm building like this if I wanted to. What's up? How you doing, man? I'm just getting ready to actually get off, unfortunately. That's why we made a composite renderer, so that we can render it any way we would like. But yeah, it'd be fun to do it like this. So the other thing is this uses no 3D. Here's the edge of the world, by the way. As long as I get my tomahawk, for sure. Haha, we do. Yeah, I know. You're just catching the end of the stream, bud. But hey, feel free to follow, and you will catch me next time I'm online. Giggity. I did follow. Oh, I don't have my headphones on. But thank you for the follow, Slater USA. All right. Congrats, you made a Windows screensaver. Oh, there it is. Thanks for the follow, brother. But yeah, then we have 2D render of this too. This is also all built in C#. Welcome to the nerd realm. Stay for the dad jokes. Indeed. Indeed. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I think go shred your meat. Looks like you're making a Wolfenstein. That's actually pretty accurate, dude. That is the Wolfenstein renderer that I built in C#. And I might use it as a render for this game. Right now, it just does cool volumetric lighting and all sorts of cool shit. But yeah, interestingly, that doesn't actually do 3D. It's a ray tracing engine. So it doesn't actually do what you'd think. Like none of that's actually 3D. It's all based on the light from your eye and where it would hit. So like the position, a few sprites. But yeah, we don't actually do any specific 3D like OpenGL rendering in that. It's all based on like how you would view it as a ray from your eye, which is kind of cool. Which is how the actual Wolfenstein engine works. Like we could easily do all that in 3D space, but it's way cooler to do this. But yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of cool code. And I think, let's see. Okay, bye. Wow. Wow. Yeah. I think it's love you. So yeah, this whole thing is actually open source. if you want to play with it. But anyways, speaking of, I need to get the hell out of here. Thank you everyone for hanging out. Y'all are amazing. Thank you for all the love, all the biddies. Let's see if there's anyone that I know that's on that I can host. No one really good. Nah, screw it. We're not hosting anyone. Actually, let's see if there's anyone in the programming community. Bye, Allie. This is game dev, okay. Interesting. Oh yeah, we'll drop you here. We'll drop you off at the dude making an amazing game. He's been doing it forever. Say hello. Follow if you want. But otherwise, I will catch y'all later. And be nice.